unfortunately, I don't have the special tool. So I'm gonna have to use the flat and the hammer. Now, we'll do this until it gets tight. This little piece will stick out just a little bit from the threads. So I'm gonna cut the video just in case. Don't take it.
Oh, it's perfect timing. I brought it back. Oh my god! So you wanted to
Put the rotors back on.
You gotta say stuff like that. You know why? Because you got people like me gonna try and just shove that shit in and be like, he said just push it in. Why isn't it pushing in? Start it.
Install our bolts to hold our hub.
I got plans today. I wish.
Me too. Alright, now it's just to tighten the bolts, and after that we'll just put our caliper back on, and that's pretty much it. That's how you rebuild the hub on the 2018 what is this? ProMaster City. This is with a 2.4, this is a 350 Transit.